For the following exercises, use the vertical line test to determine which graphs show relations that are indeed functions. All right, so we have to use the vertical line test, and I give you a little description down here what the vertical line test is, or how to use it. And it says that if a vertical line that's totally randomly drawn by yourself does not intersect the graph more than once, meaning it intersects it once or less, the graph is indeed a function. Now that's anywhere along the graph. All right, so let's take a look at this example. So let's say you drew a vertical line down this value. This is roughly x is equal to -4. X is equal to -4. We notice that this particular graph only has one value of y when x is indeed -4. Right? The value of y here is simply going to be, it looks like -3. Right? If I were to count down 1, 2, 3. So that's cool. That passes the test, right? However, well, let me do this. If I draw another vertical line here, it only intersects there, so that also passes the test. But what about if I draw a vertical line down the value of x is equal to 1? We notice it intersects the graph 2 places. Okay. Now you might say, well, wait a minute, it intersects it only one place over here. Now it intersects it in 2 places. So is it a function? Is it not a function? Is, this general area a function? Excuse me, not a function? Is this area a function? Once there's any point along any graph in which a vertical line intersects 2 points, we say that the entire thing is not a function. Okay? So this is not a function. Not a function. Now take a look at the other example. Right, this one's pretty straightforward. No matter where I draw my vertical line here, I realize that I will only have for every x value, meaning x is -1 here, x is 2, and x over here will be, looks like 5. And no matter what, I'm only going to have one y value. Right, this is +3, this one is going to be 0, and this one over here looks like a -2. So this does indeed show this relation to be a function. So it is indeed a function. All right. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe. See you next time.